Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 5 for 12th standard, part 2, chapter number 1, differentiation. Exercise 1.1, question number 2, example number 9. E raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. So e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. So solution, let y is equal to e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x, differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x is equal to e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x and derivative of 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. So e is equal to e raised to 3 sine x square and sine square x minus 2 cos square x into derivative of this. So here I take direct step. 2 into 3 6 and derivative of sine square is sine x and again derivative of sine is equal to cos x. So this is equal to 6 sine x cos x minus this into this 4 derivative of cos x. The derivative of cos square x is equal to this cos x, 2 cos x, but this 2 into 2 4 minus derivative of cos x is equal to minus sine x, and therefore dy dx is equal to e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x into bracket 6 sine x cos x plus 4 cos x sine x. So this is equal to, this is 10. So e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x into 5 into 2 sine x cos x, and for this 2 sine x cos x I substitute sine 2x. So therefore dy dx is equal to 5 sine 2x into e raised to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos square x. Okay. Question number 10. Cos square log x square plus 7. Let y is equal to cos square log x square plus 7, differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx cos square log x square plus 7. Okay. Now here three functions are there. One is cos, then log, and then this function. Okay. So first you differentiate this cos square. So 2 cos into bracket log x square plus 7 derivative of cos log x square plus 7. So 2 cos log x square plus 7 into minus sine log x square plus 7 and derivative of log x square plus 7. So this is minus 2 cos log x square plus 7 into sine log x square plus 7 and derivative of log is equal to 1 upon x square plus 7 and derivative of x square plus 7, that is 2x. Okay, and now then you write down simplified form. So dy dx is equal to minus sine 2 log, so this is cos into sine and 2, so this is what sine 2x, so minus sine 2 log x square plus 7 into 2x upon x square plus 7. Okay. Question number 11. Tan log tan cos sine x. Okay. So y is equal to tan cos sin x differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx of this y. And now the first one differentiate tan x, that is sec square x. So dy dx is equal to sec square cos sin x and derivative of cos sin x. So sec square cos sin x into cos, derivative of cos is equal to minus sin x into derivative of sin x, and therefore is equal to dy dx is equal to minus sec square x cos tan sin x into sin x into cos x. Okay. Question number 12. Sec into bracket tan x raised to 4 plus 4. So let y is equal to sec tan x raised to 4 plus 4 differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx of y, and then you simplify this, and therefore dy dx is equal to derivative of tan is what, sec x into tan x. So sec tan x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan x raised to 4 x raised to 4 plus 4 and derivative of tan x raised to 4 plus 4. Okay. So sec tan x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan x raised to 4 plus 4 and derivative of tan is equal to sec square x raised to 4 plus 4 and derivative of x raised to 4 plus 4. So therefore dy dx is equal to sec tan x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan x raised to 4 plus 4 into sec square x raised to 4 plus 4 into derivative of this is equal to 4x cube. Okay. Now question number 13. e raised to log log x square minus log x square. Okay, here log x and what, square of log x, and here the log x square. So this is a quite different. Let y is equal to e log x square minus log x square. Let e raised to log x square minus log x square is equal to m, then log, this you simplify by definition of logarithm. So log m to the base e is equal to this log x square minus log x square, so is equal to, and therefore if you compare this, m is equal to log x square minus log x square, and therefore y is equal to log x square minus log x square differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to, so derivative of this is equal to log square now, so 2 log x into derivative of log x and minus this is equal to 2, so here x square now, so therefore 2 log x 2 d dx of log x, and simplify, dy dx is equal to 2 log x upon derivative of log x is equal to x minus 2 into derivative of log x is equal to x. Okay. Question number 14. Sine under root 9 sine root x. So let y is equal to root sine root x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx sine root x is equal to first derivative of sine is equal to cos root sine root x, and derivative of root sine root x. Okay, so cos root sine root x into 1 upon 2 root sine root x and derivative of sine root x. So this is equal to cos root sine root x upon 2 root sine root x into cos root x, and derivative of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. So dy dx is equal to cos root sine root x upon 2. So in this case, cos root sine root x upon 2 sine root x into cos root x into 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of this, and then you simplify this. So in this case, cos root x, this cos root sine root x upon this into this 4 root x into root sine root x. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.